Myth number 1, chiropractic adjustments are painful. This is a prevalent misconception that deters many. It's important to understand that chiropractic adjustments, when performed correctly, are not only safe, but are generally pain-free. At Greater Life Chiropractic, we use gentle, precise methods to realign the spine. In cases where there's acute inflammation or tension, there could be mild discomfort during the adjustment, but this is often short-lived and is followed by a significant improvement in function and relief of symptoms.